Alam ko nakabarong tayo pero hindi tayo masyadong formal dito. Kaya sinuot ko yung aking uniforme para ipagmalaki. Ito yung binigay ninyo sa akin nung nag-send off ako sa inyo. And wow, I never thought how proud I would be to wear it again because of the brilliant performance of our athletes. Let me greet the Philippine Olympic Committee President, Abraham Tolentino, PSC Chairman Richard Bachman, our supporters and friends, so we could not do without in the private sector, fellow workers in government, of course, the First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos, and of course, the most important group that pinakamahalaga na grupo na nandito ngayon, ng ating mga atleta na nakilahok sa Olympic